Have you ever noticed how different you feel when light and sunshine are shining on your face? How about when it's cold, foggy, and gloomy outside? Almost everybody's mood can be affected by the weather outside. However, for some, it can cause their whole sense of well-being to shift. If someone transforms into a totally different person depending on the season, they may have what is called SAD, Seasonal Affective Disorder. SAD is a form of depression that happens around the same time each year, either in the spring and early summer, or the late fall and winter. However, most cases are in winter. The symptoms of winter depression include low energy and tiredness, oversleeping, weight gain, trouble socializing, and irritated very easily. Symptoms of summer depression are quite opposite. They include insomnia, poor appetite and weight loss, and anxiety. The reduced sunshine in winter and changes of seasons could be the cause of SAD. Reduced sunshine disrupts the body's biological clock, causes a drop of serotonin, and disrupts the balance of melatonin. These hormones are responsible for our mood and our sleep habits. Therefore, an imbalance or loss of them can trigger feelings of depression and impair functioning. Factors that can increase your chance of developing this disorder are being female, having a family history of depression, or living further from the equator. To diagnose ASD, you go through an evaluation process which has 3 tests. First is the physical exam, where the doctor asks a series of questions to get a better understanding of the patient. Secondly is the lab test, where the patient's blood, thyroid, and more are checked to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Lastly is the psychological analysis, where the doctor checks for signs of depression. To ensure the patient has SAD and not something else, symptoms should only appear in the season of depression. To treat ASD, the most common methods are light therapy, antidepressant medication, and psychotherapy. Light therapy involves a light box which mimics natural light. The light causes a change in chemicals linked to mood, which can ease symptoms and in turn lift mood. The box is very effective if used correctly, which means being used in the morning for half an hour. In addition to these treatments, exercising and going outside can lift your mood. More than a quarter of Canadians experience winter blues, but only 2 to 6% have SAD. There are no ways to prevent SAD from occurring, but being aware of symptoms can prevent the disorder from becoming worse later on.